Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I will be taking you to an exclusive tour. I think I have never seen a video from this location. It's called the Jua Kali industry here in Kenya. So we're going to be visiting Jua Kali industry to show you how it looks like and what are the things that are made in this industry. Probably you want to be asking, why is it called Jua Kali? It's because the artisans operate under intense sunlight. As you can see, it's a very sunny day and they are at work and they produce some of the best items that probably if you're Kenyan you have ever used in your home, like wheelbarrows. You can see the items that are available here. So this is a market. We are already inside and you can see those drums and so many items are made from this place. It's next to Nairobi CBD because from town to here it's a walking distance because it's around Shauri Moyo. From town to Shauri Moyo, I think you can be able to pay 20 bob if you don't want to foot. So it's very close to town. What I'll be showing you where the roundabout is. So we are approaching the roundabout of the, what do you call this roundabout? City Stadium. So this is the City Stadium roundabout, and from here you can be able to board a matatu to town. It takes less than 5 minutes if there is no jam. So it's very close because from here to Mudhura Market, which is also another market that probably we're gonna be exploring very soon. It's very near. So this is how market looks like. Jua Kali market. You can see these boxes for school going children. So many things are made from this Jua Kali industry, and it makes millionaires. You would think that the people you are seeing here are poor people, but they make good money from this business. Yeah, it's because it's quite hard. That's why not very many people choose to do it, and the few that have chosen to venture into this business, they are killing the business and they are making good money. Yeah, you can see it's very expensive. I will not be able to visit everywhere, but at least I will walk you around all the corners. You can see those jikos. Yeah, very necessary for every home. In Kenya you will not miss a jiko in every home. So these are the items, and strangely in Kenya people are afraid of camera, and whenever you do filming around them they are quite aggressive. Yeah, not all the things that you see on these videos are, sometimes we cut not to show you some of the ugly scenes we come across. So let me just do what I can and show you how this place looks like. Yeah, you can see these jikos and the boxes for school going children. Those items are necessary for people who want to put a poultry farming. So we are deep inside, and then we are walking. So let me just walk you around. Please continue watching the video. I'm gonna be showing you everything, and comment on the comment section and tell me what you think about this location, and would you do this kind of business? Do you think you can be able to survive in this scorching sun to make these items? And if you are not a Kenyan, probably in your country, do you have such kind of business? What do you call them in your country? Comment in the comment section and tell us.